So this is the third part of video. In the second part, in the last, I am just showing you the JDK in my system. Let me find it out. Where it's supposed to be. Okay, where is my environment file? I'll just check it. I can check my environment file, so it will be easy to find me. Java, okay. It would be in C program files Java and JDK 11. I'm using JDK 11, right? You can use JDK 8 and JDK 11 in both. They are very simplified, and most of the cases the chances of error happening and error occurring is very less in these versions. So simply we can, I'm just mostly you need to know one thing, like we don't need to create any project in C directory. Why C directory? We have to choose only we can choose any directory like DE, but we don't need to, we should not choose the C directory. What why? What is the reason? Because whenever our window crashed, and whenever there is some misconception or mishappening in our system, then the first directory that would be vanished is C. So always make project in D or any directory except C directory. Okay, so you can write any project here, right? You can create any project folder. You can create any folder by using mkdir command. Okay, by entering and just move into that. Okay, so here you can write this command. So this command is for creating React Native project, like npx React Native init is the main command, and this is the project name. You can write first project, you can write React Native project, whatever it can be, right? So I'm not going to run this command because I already have so many projects in my system. So after this command, you can just check it out. You will get structure like this. The first that you will get a package JSON, that this file, and there are so many external libraries that I have installed this in this project. And there is one more file, that is package log JSON, that is related to this file, and by using this package JSON file, the main folder that will install, that will cover into the picture, that is node modules, right? So by using npm, by using node, this folder will appear in your project directory. But when you start your project, when you run this command, then this folder will automatically generate. So this section is only for the React Native and React Native environment setups. I hope guys you will get it. Hopefully you will try these steps in your system and will find it in very easy way. So thank you so much guys. Hopefully, please if you will get something useful by this video, then please subscribe it and like it and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much.